Pampers ng Bay! Alden Richards!
No one can replace what you mean to me more than a friend, son.
Say it again, like I said first time, the first time. Say it again, like I said the first time, yeah. It's true.
Kamusta, Pampanga? Thank you po sa pagpunta.
Boy, you alone, you're jumping in. Can see you're hurting. Everything alright. Know that I may be this time, but you're the one that makes me shine. Yeah, you're the reason that I got this fire. I need you by my side. Say it again, like you said it the first time, the first time. Say it again, like you said it the first time, the first time. Say it again, yeah. Say it again, yeah. Say it again, like you said it the first time, yeah. It's like you yeah, it's only broken, and my car is parked outside. You're jumping in, I can see.
Uy, meron pala sa taas. Hello po.
Everything alright. Know that I may be a star, but you're the one that makes me shine. You're the reason that I got this fire. I need you by my side. Say it again, like you said it the first time, the first time. Say it again, like you said it the first time, the first time. Say it again, yeah. Say it again, yeah. Say it again, like you said it the first time, yeah.
Ayan, hello po. Thank you all for coming tonight. Kahit nagsinahan po na, nagstay pa rin po kayo. Maraming salamat. Okay, mag-alala. Mamaya picture tayong lahat, okay? Thank you so much.
Say it again, like you said it the first time, the first time. Say it again, like you said it the first time, the first time. Say it again, yeah. Say it again, yeah. Say it again, like you said it the first time, yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Nako. Hello po. Good evening po. Kamusta po kayo dyan? Thank you so. Hindi po ba kayo naulanan? Kanina, okay lang? Ayan, okay. O sige, patatagalin pa na natin to. Second song agad! Uy, ano? Ay, I love you guys too. Thank you. Salamat po.
Spoke like in the air, never been, haven't seen a shelter to get over, a secret hideaway. Rescue me, to become dead. Don't know where it's dying, nowhere to be found. Rescue me when I'm surprised. Let illusions leave my eyes. Temporary lies turn to paradise. Rescue me. Rescue me. see is you and me. Clear as the waters, clear as the can. Yes, you are all I have. Take me, come take my hand. Don't know where to stand, know that you belong. Rescue me where love survives. Illusions in my eyes, temporary lies, touching paradise. Imaginary lights, drifting on the mind, lighting up the burning inside. Wait till tomorrow, to the sunrise. We'll be together in time. Rescue me, all I have. Turn to me, come take. Boy! Nowhere to be found. Rescue me when love survives. Let illusions leave my eyes. Temporary lies, turn to paradise. Rescue me, rescue me, rescue me, rescue me.
Thank you, maraming salamat po. And ayan, I'd like to thank Albinatics Pampanga, Simply Alden, Alden United, and syempre, si Mami Alden International. Maraming salamat. Thank you for being here. Sino pa? Ano pa to? Ano pa tong ano yan? Pabasa. Ayan, Aldab Maiden Nation Pampanga Chapter. Ito. Ano yan? Ano yan? Type na yan. Patingin nga, patingin.
I love you!
Anong nakalagay po?
I love you, Shayo!
Ano yan? Manilin? Aldab Nation? Minalin. Manilin to guys. Thank you so much po. Sino pa? Alden Philippines. Ito sila mami dito. Thank you po. And to Aldab Nation Pampanga. Ayan, sa lahat po ninyo dito. Pati yung mga nasa taas. Hindi ko kayo nakikita dyan. Nakikita ko kayo dyan. Huwag kayong joke lang. So, ano yung nakalagay? I love you, Alden. I love you too. Thank you po sa effort ng tarp. So, ito, Alden United Pampanga din. Baliktad pa. Thank you so much. So, ayan, so this is my third song. Sana po magustuhan nyo because it's one of my favorites. Music please.
Overtaking my heart, you take it, finding peace again. Fear is lost, I know you are. And I'll give the world to taste of it, 'cause I know that you've got me. I lost myself, the good in a place, and then I roll higher, 'cause Jesus, I believe in you, and I would go to the end of the earth, to the end of the earth, for you alone are the Son of God, and all the world will see that you are God. You are God. Overtaking my heart. Jesus, I believe in you, and I would go. Lord, on the Son of God, and all the world will see that you are God. Jesus, I believe in you, and I would go to the ends of the earth, to the ends of the earth. For you alone are the Son of God, and all the world will see that you are God. You are God. Jesus, I believe in you, and I would go to the ends of the earth, to the ends of the earth. For you alone are the Son of God, all the world will see that you are God. You are God.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you po. Salamat. Yan, and sa lahat po ng mga sino nakabili ng album? Wow, thank you po. So, before moving on po, I'd like to acknowledge the following, of course. Ayala Malls, Marky Mall po, thanks so much. Buona Luilier. Maraming salamat po. Astro Plus, Astro Vision, Mr. Jimmy Lim, 97.1 Barangay Alas FM, Pugstuga na. Of course, McDonald's, Jimmy Artist Center, and Jimmy Records. Thank you so much po. Tsaka si Mama Ten, pawis ka na. Pawis. And at sa lahat po na nandito ngayon, maraming salamat po. Ito po, pati yung mga nasa second floor, thank you. Yung mga nandito po on this side, thank you so much. Thank you po. And with that po, here's my last song para po sa inyo. So music please.
Tears run down my face. I can't replace. And now that I'm strong, I have figured out how this world turns cold and it breaks through my soul. And I know I'll find deep inside me I can be the one. I will never let you fall. I'll stand up with you forever. I'll be there for you through it all. Even if saving you sends me to heaven, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Seasons are changing and waves are crashing and stars are falling off for us. Days grow longer and nights grow shorter. I can show you I'll be the one. I will never let you be there for you through it all. Even if saving you sends me to heaven, 'cause you're
Thank you so much. And so with that, I'll be right back. Ay, sandali si Mami. Nandito na isa pa. Nay, kamusta, Nay? Sandali po.
Alright mga kapuso, once again, Mr. Alden returns! Huwag kayong mag-alala, babalik po si Alden sa stage para sa third part ng ating